If you're running Zoom classrooms or Zoom meetings, you don't need to buy a separate whiteboard app or use a separate whiteboard app. There's already a whiteboard app built into the Zoom classroom. How do you access it? Well, go to Share Screen, click Whiteboard, and then click Share. And now we're in a whiteboard situation that is collaborative. You can write on it, and people in your meeting or your classroom can also write on it. So how do we do it? Well, let's say I want to talk about a prototype for this block. I would take my stylus and start writing like I usually do to say, okay, here is the block format. And anybody that I'm collaborating with on the other end can go in and make suggestions and changes and make things perhaps look a little better than I can. And of course, I can clear things, clear and erase and start over again, just like I can in a real classroom. So that's how you do it in the Zoom environment. I do have one tip if you're going to use a whiteboard in a classroom, and that is to practice it. You may think you know how to draw really well, but using a stylus and using different equipment, it's often easier than using a real-world classroom board or a real whiteboard, but it still takes a little bit of practice to make sure that you're drawing as well as you could on a big screen.